Super excited, do a quick video. I got my PR pack from Eclipse Holsters. Recently had reached out to them. I happened to see their holsters online and wow, do they look really cool. Woman-owned company, which is awesome. So I wanted to do a quick little unboxing and show you what they sent. There will be several review videos coming up on these products. So let's get into the box. They are for the FN 509C. So as soon as you open the box, look how awesome the packaging and everything is. So let's see what's in here. So there is one holster, which is this one, that I guess you could say I designed. It's diamond plate with the blue washers inside the waistband with the wing. This company has really cool designs. I have yet to see a company that has the amount of choices of different designs and colors and options. They got this like kind of dual clip. I'll find out, you know, for the review I'll tell you what the names are. But we got that holster in there, which is the only thing I knew that I was getting. Everything else is a surprise. I'm going to bring the box down here. So now we have another holster, and I'll update the colors on the review videos. So this is one, this is an outside the waistband with the paddle, the gold washers, and it's a green and black plaid. Also for the 509. We also have a matching mag pouch with the gold hardware. That is really cool. We have a card. Jeff, thanks for trying out some of our favorite products. Eclipse Holsters prides itself on our fast 1 to 3 day shipping with complete customization. We hope you enjoy Eclipse Holsters. Yeah, I talked to them on, so today is Monday, the 15th, I believe it is. I talked to them on Thursday-ish, and I got it today. It originally said it was coming tomorrow, but it arrived today. So yeah, super fast. Look at this. Back in that same plaid, gold hardware. This is like a EDC tray. They have special names for all this. I do apologize, but I'm going to do reviews on all this, like I said. This is really amazing what they sent. They sent me a blue, it's like a self-defense tool. That's really cool. This is some hardware to delete the wing. So it's a kind of a hardware kit for that. And that's what's in the box. That is really cool. I really appreciate it. And there's going to be 2 holster reviews and a review on this. So 3 videos right here. I really didn't think about the color of the gun when I designed this, but I didn't really care. I was like, man, that is just so cool. Doesn't really matter, you know, it just looks awesome. So that's my Eclipse Holster PR package unboxing. Special thanks to them. Videos coming soon. As always, thanks for watching.